Hey, it's the Wednesday Q&A. I want to open an account for my nephew that I can contribute to for his birthday, holidays, and other important milestones in his life. What type of account would be best? If you want this account to explicitly be for future school expenses, maybe use a 529 plan. If it's just cash to be used for any future purpose, a non-qualified UTMA or UGMA account, Universal Gift to Minors Act, would be best with someone as a custodian that would control how it's invested. Only one person can be the custodian of that account, but the child will take control once they turn 18. Have questions about this week's content or need help with your financial plan? We're here to help. Call Gregory Ricks & Associates, 504-832-9200.